Hello, all. My name is Dr. Sridevi Lakhe. I am a consultant dermatologist, cosmetologist, and hair transplant doctor. Currently working with Hair Free and Hair Grow Clinic, Kharadi branch. So let's see about the phases of hair transplant, because if you are planning for a hair transplant procedure and if you are planning for leaves or any kind of events like your marriage or any interview, in that case you should know about the phases of hair transplant, how you will look after hair transplant procedure. So the hair transplant procedure phase will start 15 days prior to your hair transplant procedure, because 15 days prior to your hair transplant procedure we need to analyze your scalp condition in case of any dandruff or any scalp condition like fungal infection, that we need to treat prior to the procedure with shampoo, solutions, or fewer times oral medications need to be started. And if possible, scalp muscle yogas are there, so that muscle relaxant will be better and your skin condition will be much better for the hair transplant procedure. Next is the day of transplant. On the day of transplant, your scalp will be heavy because of the local anesthesia. After procedure, the complete donor area, it will be raw, and the front portion will be small bleeding point will be visible. From day 1 to day 7 there will be a scab phase, during which whatever transplanted hairs are there in the implanted area, they will start drying up. So there will be a scab formation phase. So for initial 2 days the area will look raw, later on the red scab will be there, it will turn into brown, and later on black scab will be there. And regarding the donor area part, so initial 2 days the donor area will be oozy and raw, and later on the skin formation will start, and eventually the skin formation will complete by the end of 7 days. From 8th day onward we will start with the head wash part. So once we start with the head wash, till the phase of 1.5 month period, there will be a shedding phase. So whatever transplanted graft is there, so the root portion will remain inside your skin part. It will get properly acclimatized or adjust in your skin, and whatever extra length we have implanted with graft, that will fall. That is shedding phase. So eventually once you start with the head wash, you will get to see many hairs stand in your hand. So that is quite normal during shedding phase. At 1.5 month, your shedding phase will complete. 1.5 month to 3.5 month phase is a complete resting phase or dormant phase, during which there won't be any activity of the transplanted hairs. Your look will be same as your pre-transplant phase. The baldness, grade of baldness, everything will be same as pre-transplant. This is the phase of panic, because most of the patients, they see there is no result, there is no transplanted hair graft. So during that phase most of the patients are worried about their results. So don't worry, the result will start after 3.5 months. So tentatively by 3.5 months we expect the result to be 10% of what we have transplanted. So the density portion, if you see, it will take time to achieve a particular density. For 60 to 70% of the result, it will take 6 to 7 months. So the major growth is going to happen in first 6 to 7 months. And for 100% result, the front angle and front hairline portion, it will take 9 months. But considering the thickness of your crown area is going to take extra duration. So for crown area, we expect the 100% result at the end of 1 year. So the major hair growth is going to happen in first 6 to 7 months. So you should keep in mind that first 6 to 7 months is a crucial period, during which whatever the do's and don'ts, precautions and medication doctor has advised you, you need to follow them strictly to get a better and good result. So as I said, for major result it's going to take 6 to 7 months. So during that phase, in case if you have to attend an event, so in that case you can use cosmetics like hair fiber or scalp micropigmentation to get the illusion of full density. So in case if you are planning for the hair transplant, so and you have few doubts regarding your procedure timing, so schedule your appointment and have a consultation with us. Thank you.